Do I have to get blame on her? I don't.
Wait, are you removing things from the tile map?
No, it
Okay.
was before. It was using the old reference, but for some reason it didn't tell
Ah,
me.
I see. Currently selected tile is going to be
Um,
yeah, we're just gonna leave it at vector 2 for now.
Basically, I'm using get blame to see where it came from. Me 2 hours ago, apparently. When did I uncommit changes? Basically, this grass block shouldn't be used anywhere. Oh, it's just a reference. It's not actually used anywhere. Maybe it was a merge conflict thing. I don't know. No idea.
Okay, so now let's go back to our. I swear to God, this editor just kills me.
Yeah, I know. What you mean, brother?
Brother. Okay. So if a block has been placed at a
Mhm.
position, then we're going to
Yeah.
show the menu and we're going to save which block we're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, if this is not true and a block has not been placed, then
Mhm.
we actually want to check if we have a selected controller item. If yes, and if it meets the requirements, then we'll place it. So elif, we're going to have to have a new helper function. Selected index. Let's call this.
Oh, okay. That's a bit broken. I don't know.
So this will be the selected index is a definitely a 1 a.m. name.
Yep.
That's an 18 hours into the stream name. Um, let's do selected block
You're right. I
option.
need to work on something. So what are you working on?
I'm setting up all the clicking and like editing the blocks and whatnot. So I think it's better if you don't do anything in tutorial level since I'm pretty much touching everything in there.
It's a bomb.
Well, yeah, but it kind of has to be until I get this sorted out. So if we
Let's see
build
if I
level
should.
one,
I was
that
going
would
to see
probably be
should I.
good.
Yeah. My other suggestion was that I actually get the AI to spawn in and walk on the path.
That too. Yeah, you could do that. That might be a good idea.
'Cause I've not really done
Unless
much with these buttons either, by the way. They just emit things.
that's fine. That's all they need to do for
Right, I
now.
actually need to see where I've connected to them though, because I think I did add rotation thingy before.
I mean, it's fine if you do that too, as long as you're emitting. I'll just ignore what you've done. No
Yeah.
offense.
Uh,
Okay. So let's create a new level controller helper function. This is going to be func.
you're a funky little dude. All right.
Funk, funkity funk, funk, funk.
I might see what I've changed just to commit my stuff. I guess in that case, this signal is no longer a find path, even though you send the code right for find path.
Nope, haven't looked at it once.
Oh, okay.
Has block option been selected? And this returns is not equal to -1. So if that's true,
I can't believe my stream's at 21 hours, bro.
I know, me too. I don't know that I'll ever get this far again.
Yeah. Oh, someone followed me. Kerry, VTuber artist.
All right. And
Right. Okay.
the helper functions are helpful.
They better be helpful.
Does
Selectable cube, path, switch from
block.
UID to a path. What?
Can.
Okay, I have a question then. You know the main world scene that we've had since the start?
Yeah,
It's not actually referenced or used anywhere. Can I just delete it?
sure. Can a new block be placed? Can a new block be placed?
Because
I'm
I'd rather
going with
not
verbosity
have stuff.
here at this
I'd
point.
rather not have it if we don't need it.
Can a new block be placed? So we get our selected index. Our selected selected block.
I also might make that camera thing, the draggable thing. I might make it its own component, so you can just import it and teach you.
Okay.
I wonder when freedom's going to be like.
I have no idea. It's not equal to -1. Then we need to
Oh,
get the
I guess one of us
index.
should actually check his Twitch chat.
Then God, all I really want in this editor is to be able to have a split screen, so I can reference another file at the same time. That's it. If you give me that, I would be happy.
It's open source, bro.
Yeah, well, that's a good point.
I would be surprised if someone hasn't already done it.
Instances
Banger.
max up blocks. So we need to
I
get
think we
the
kind of ditched
instance.
the project board after a while, didn't we?
Yeah.
So,
Current amount of.
I guess
this.
most of our hard work for this entire thing is the block placement and rotation.
Yeah, but we're very close with that. It's pretty much, give me an hour or two and we'll be done.
Be done.
Be done.
Yeah, brother. Right.
Yeah, I would suggest you do the AI thing and get the little
Okay.
minion dudes to actually run through there.
Yeah.
And then I
that.
think doing a level would be a good task for Freedom.
Yeah, sure.
Give him something that he's not bashing his head against for hours.
Mm-hmm. Gotta manage the what's it called? I guess developer experience.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Goodness gracious.
I feel
Instance.
sorry for him. He's probably bashing his head against doing his AI like navigation thingy for a while.
Yeah.
Bum 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 bum. Removed unneeded, I guess redundant, redone, and code. Removed world, as it's no longer relevant. How many ways can I write redundant?
I don't know. How many?
No idea. We'll find out.
Can a new block be placed?
Yeah, I don't know what we're planning to do with this find path function, because I feel like it's more has completed path or something, because it says is end. We don't really do anything with it, so I thought I'd just return it.
It's up to you. I don't know. All right, if a new block can be placed there, then we're going to call our path placer, and we're going to place a block.
Yep.
Path placer is going to change, though.
I don't need to do that there. This was just to test something.
This is going to take in the source, the coordinates.
That's also not needed.
No, this is going to take in a block. Of type block.
Not needed.
And
Not needed. Whoa. Countdown timer.
Block, place block.
Not needed. Not needed. Not needed. Oh, that one actually is needed, so. Needed. Not needed.
Okay.
Is there a reference to that? I don't think there is, but we'll find out. Button, what do you call it? What did I call it? Block controls or something.
Expected indented block after function declaration.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what we have, dude. What are you on about? We don't need this. What we're gonna do is
timer.
To
block controls that might be needed though.
Block dot source block dot.
I don't need to add any of that. Controls, right. So mouse enter, mouse exited.
Good.
You know what? I have high hopes of us actually submitting something.
Oh, we're submitting. We're definitely submitting something. Get block. Get tile map coordinates.
Block controls. Mouse entered and exited. Why did I need those? On what? Mouse entered and exited on delete texture button.
This is returning a vector to.
I didn't think they're referenced. I don't need those.
Coordinates east.
Cool.
Return coordinates north.
Save.
To return.
That's fine. Updated up.
South. Return coordinates west. All right. Then we're going to have a func update direction. And all this is going to do, honestly, I think we can simplify the menu button down to just be one rotation. We'll only rotate one direction.
Yeah, fine.
That way, I mean, you just loop through all of them. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, sure.
Update direction. And that will just be current direction
Oh yeah, right.
+1. And then the mod of that.
Reference
Can you
to
do
class.
mod in GD script? GD script mod.
Just modulo. The little percentage sign. If that's what you're on about. What you're on about?
Yes, percent. Okay. So current direction is
I should assume
equals
there's
to,
like a math.mod or something as well, but probably don't need it. Do I need the delete button? It's not referenced. As far as I'm aware.
let's see, mod 4. That's what we want. Okay.
Yeah, okay, it's not referenced. Neat. Alright, that's gone. Delete.
We'll just return coordinate east if something fucks up. Okay, good. So now we get our tile map coordinates here. So let's go here.
Make sure everything runs.
Can a new block be placed? Our level controller. Path placer.
Oh,
So we have our block. Block.get.
another thing was brought up in chat a while
Yeah.
back when I was adding the panning on the camera.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We should probably set some bounds so they can't just keep scrolling.
Yes, that is a good idea.
I can't remember who suggested it. What no? What no? What?
What?
Doug said what no? And I was like, what? No bounds.
So, what's your favorite insult? Your British insult?
Wanker.
Wanker. Oh, it's
Wanker.
wonker. Wanker. Wonker.
Wanker.
Wanker. You wanker. I like it.
I don't agree with Dr. Dark currently. I think you should have some sort of bounds between. It'd be a bit weird to just constantly just scroll off the edge of the screen.
Unless we have an Easter egg way off in the distance.
Yeah. Let the people be free. It just has like if you scroll far enough, we have labels to like your coffee page, Kofi.
Yeah. Yeah, I like
Everything's-
that. Man, I don't know what to do with Kofi. Like Twitter or X essentially is the same thing, but people get it for free, so I might as well just do it there.
Do it. Do it. Right. This means the game
Placer is
is
kind of
working.
lame now. I'm right now.
Oh. Git push? What? Git push? Yeah. One day freedom will be back. And all of our problems will be solved. Let me check this chat.
Placer dot place block.
And
we're going to get the Why am I getting so many fucking errors? What do we pass in? We pass in our block and our tile map position. Yes. Yes. Block. So we're going to do
Question.
level controller.
Is pork crackling just a
blocks
British
in
thing?
level.
Or do you guys eat it as
Yo.
well?
Pork what now?
Crackling.
Say it again.
Crackling.
I have no idea what that is.
Basically, it's hot oil
Crackling.
poured onto.
Is that a snack?
Basically, yeah. Basically, pigskin.
Oh, yeah. Yes. But not a lot of people eat it, I would say.
It's everywhere. Yeah, you can call it pork rinds as well.
Yeah, pork rinds. Currently selected.
Same thing.
Tile. Selected block option index.
Right. Ah, glorious water. Right. Reload. Reload. Right, where we at? So you want me to do AI pathing in?
Okay.
Yes, no?
This. Yeah, I think that's a good call.
Cool. I don't know if you want the UI yet or not, by the way, for the rotation. There is a PR open, but I don't know if you want it or not.
What does
But
that do
path.
for me? That gives me the menu.
Yeah.
That gives me the menu.
Yes, it does.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I said it does.
Okay. Okay. There's a delay. I don't know.
Oh.
You're ignoring me.
Don't LT
Okay.
you in the chat. Where did you go?
Okay.
I guess I call this right side rotation menu, but controlled. Probably give it a good name.
Place a block. Blocks in level.
Right.
Place
What's it
a
doing?
block. Do.
AI pathing.
Can a new block
Also, I've noticed
place?
people are aliens. Is there a reason we have aliens?
I don't know. I have
You have
no
no idea.
idea. I think he was just looking for Freedom was just looking for any random pixel character or like character he could use. So we have aliens.
We got a male A. Is it really 3?
Where is the little menu resource thingy?
What menu resource?
Where is that located?
What menu resource?
Your little rotation delete menu.
Oh, it's an pull request. It's not much.
Is it a scene?
Yeah, it should be.
Could you merge that?
Sure. You might. Have you reviewed it?
Break the build.
Well, you know, I could be deleting the entire game and you just merge it in.
Wizard hat.
You actually just want me to straight up merge it in? Do you?
I trust you.
Good luck.
Just merge it. Just do it. Just do it. Do it. I know it hurts. Just do it. Yes.
It's
I'm
done.
going to tell all the people you work with that you just merged something in without a review. Oh, no. LT, let everyone know you're not here, but actually, he doesn't work with you, does he?
I've just known him for like 6 years or something. 5, 6 years. Right. AI pathing, I guess. I need to figure out how this navigation thingy works.
Terminal. Get status.
Should we have a countdown on our stream? You know, for the game jam timer. Is that worth doing?
Probably. There's a nice one in the Kinney Jam. I wonder if you could just like create a browser source with that timer running.
Yeah, you can. Whoa! I just entered the matrix when I disabled my freaking source. Oh, it's doing it again.
Okay, so
Oh, OBS is not having fun. It's freaking the hell out. It doesn't know what to do anymore. That's technically Streamlabs, but yeah. It's like, what do I do? I've been on for 21 hours, nearly 22 hours. Technically, we've got 22 plus 30, so about 20. Yeah. I wonder if this just works if I just use a normal link. Loop. Oh, it does. Sick. How do I scroll down the page, though? Yeah.
I need to turn on this collision path, don't I?
Brother.
It's not disabled. What the fuck?
How do I scroll down the page?
Yeah. Pickable.
I edit the browser source. How the hell do you scroll down the page?
I don't know.
Let me use some CSS.
Tile map event.
There's a window to scroll to. It says, isn't it?
Web programmer, so you should know.
Yeah, but most of it's JavaScript.
You know what's embarrassing?
What's up?
I don't know how to do CSS.
Apparently, half not is my chat. We were talking about it earlier.
It has been a mystery. I mean, it's not. I know how to do it. I know the basics, but I don't know how to do it well. Right? Like I don't know how to like all the crap.
Yeah. There was a way to do this where you could actually send inputs into the window, and I don't remember how. I guess the other option that I can do is basically make the window source the size of my browser, my actual screen, and just crop it. Easy.
Yeah.
Oh. Bro, my freaking my computer is struggling, brother. It's like, nope, can't handle this.
Just
it's like I don't know what to do anymore.
Got
It's really not happy. Hello?
Hi.
Hello. I can't tell if that's me lagging or you.
How are you?
I found it. It's right click interact. Oh my god. When you add a browser source, you can right click on it and interact on it.
Nice.
How do you crop again? Is it Alt or Control? I don't remember. The way to.
I've never known. I'm useless.
I found it is Alt. Look at that.
Okay, I'm gonna delete this.
So glad that one of us knows something.
Hey,
right.
hey, rude. All right, we're gonna do event.
Don't worry, I'll come crying when I have a mobile problem. Oh, yeah, that just screw up the Twitch alerts. Oh no.
Why is my tabbing so fucking weird?
It's locked. Why is this not moving? I already hate this. Whoa, hello. Oh my god. Only the highest quality streams.
Only the highest quality. Hey, nice. Look at
Was
that.
it
Someone got
was
a
it Dev
sub.
Dad or Akira? Okay, now you can't see that. I can barely see that. Oh yeah, Akira's from Dad's stream. What is going on here?
I really need to be more active.
Oh, it's
Invalid
just like
with
anything in life,
index
isn't it?
pressed.
It's all about people.
What the fuck?
You don't have
How
a
the
product
fuck?
without people.
Oh, this shouldn't be this hard.
It's all community based.
Event.
Thank you for the hydrate. I'm not going to turn up my microphone because the last time I did that with LT, you broke everything. Then you have to listen to my shit laptop fan for fucking several hours. Right. Which now I have a premium drink. Premium indeed. Right. Navigation map. Navigation. Is that what it's called? Is that what it's called?
Getting breakfast delivered. Hell yeah. Oh, another.
What is breakfast for you? Because everyone just assumes that British people just have freaking huge ass breakfasts every day.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
It's
My
Andrew
wife
Tate.
called me.
Oh, I said, what do you have for breakfast?
So we have this really nice bakery near us. So my wife just went out on
Yeah.
a 8 mile run, and so she's near the bakery. So she's gonna pick up something, and they make fresh bread every morning. It's really good. So they have a sandwich called a jambon. Jambon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's literally just one of their baguettes, ham and butter, and that's it. It's so good.
Oh, okay.
It's like really high quality ingredients.
I have to implement a
love me
navigation
fresh
2D
bread.
to AI.
I love me
Because
fresh
I
bread.
was saying that some people always just assume that British people just have large ass breakfast.
Oh yeah, you got that English breakfast. I've had one of those before.
With the blood pudding or not? 'Cause
With the
most
blood
people don't
pudding,
like it.
everything, yeah. It wasn't great.
Tastes like something you'd serve a dog, right?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't know that I had really any great food when I was in the UK. No offense.
You know,
No offense.
despite owning half the world and stealing half people's resources and spices, we still negate to use it. We just don't use it.
Yeah, I don't know how y'all did that, but the food is just subpar. No
I've
offense to you.
To be fair, you might have not had it in a good place.
That's probably true. Yeah.
Because there are some good places that serve proper English breakfast. Do you know how to do this net thing?
So in 3-4 hours, I need to go to a kid's birthday party, and his kid's dad, is from London.
London.
London. Yeah. So I can ask him about all his terrible food. 1 second. Hi, sweetheart. Come here. Give me a hug.
What are you doing?
I'm working on my game. But I don't want you to get any closer, okay? I don't want you to be on the camera. All right?
I'll be with you.
Beans on toast.
Let me see. Let me see if that works.
a bit of crime, not gonna lie. It's a British staple. I know it doesn't mean it's right. You know I can turn your camera off if you want to.
What was that?
I said I can turn your camera off.
Yeah. I know. Let me do that. I'll turn it off for a bit. There we go. Yep. We're just building stuff. Gotta figure out why we have a bug here.
I don't know if in America you guys had the same thing, but the bottle caps that don't detach from the bottles anymore. Deer ambush. I don't know if you know what I mean by that. We're gonna do this. AI nav message. How did I just type? By the way, I hate those caps. Yes. They're absolutely annoying. I'm trying to drink and not like cut my face at the same time. Hmm. Do we still have to add one of these then? Right click, establish the dots, left click, mark.
All right. I'm back.
Okay.
Jesus, why is this so hard? Let's
What?
see.
So you know that navigation mesh? What the frick was the point of it? Is it just to say that the things were connectable?
No, it's to give the. So it's using a navigation server. You create a navigation mesh, essentially that tells whatever little item is traversing through where they can go, where like what are the valid travel paths that they could move around in.
Hold up, what?
That's the point of it. Does that make any sense?
Yeah. Oh, hold up. What the hell? Did you add something to one of these? Wait, what
Nope.
the? Why have I got two of these? Which layer is this on? What? I just turned off all of the stuff. You see it? I don't know where this is coming from. Look,
The little
this is-
menu.
yeah, look, there's this one. There's another one. I
Yeah.
just turned off everything. Look.
Nice. Mystery.
What? Is this a
Why
glitch?
am
Do I
I
need to reopen it? Don't save. 'Cause I just pulled in main and I'm just wondering if it glitched. Because there's a navigation mesh, and then this tutorial was also showing the path follow that you have to draw out. Does the navigation mesh just tell the AI how to get over something?
It tells it where it can travel,
That's
and
not
then
good.
the AI figures out how to travel through there.
Maybe you should do it on code review. There's a reference to delete button that doesn't exist. Block controls. I know it's there. What's the problem? Okay. Oh, no, it's fine. Okay, cool. It's just a glitch. All right. So what were you saying? It just tells you what?
It just tells the AI where it can travel to get to a
Okay.
destination.
So we still have to draw out the curves and things.
No, it'll figure out its own path, but you have to give it a destination. And then it will figure out how to get there based on that navigation mesh, which tells it where it can travel.
Nav mesh. Oh, creating path through there. Oh, so the path is calculated on find path when it's called.
Why am I having such a hard time with just freaking clicking Area 2D? Why is this? Why are you being a? Rawr. If event is event, input event mouse button and event pressed. Print.
Okay, get node sprite. So get simple path sprite. Get position. Oh, I see. So the paths are actually XY positions that the AI can walk along. Is that right?
Input.
So they're like little nodes that like link to the destination, right? All right.
Are you asking me? Sorry, I wasn't
Yeah.
listening.
So the paths have like vector data as X and Y. So these are just points that the AI can walk along. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly.
We just need to get it to follow that path, basically.
Yeah. So what you do is you create a polygon.
Yeah.
And then you're saying inside of this polygon you can traverse, right?
Yeah. This person created a YouTube tutorial, and the first thing I hear is, "What the hell?" At least he didn't cut out when it doesn't work. Oh, we can draw. That might be a nice one to do, actually. Draw the path. For debugging purposes. But I guess what's going to control the drawing? It's the isometric place parser. Pace that path placer. Dude, Frida must have been exhausted. But it's yeah, right. Ow, 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 ow. Path. What did we do? Isometric tile. Find path. Do you want the path? Maybe I just return the path data then. What is this classified as? I guess it's just the vector 2D. I guess this is an array of vector 2D. Indent. What? Hold up. My bad. You? You've used the Canvas stuff before, right? Yeah. Oh, me too. Path and range of string cycle. In. So I don't need this actually. I might add a draw. Path. Pathing. Array of vector 2. Is it nodes? I don't know.
Sorry, Wolfric, if you were talking to me, I couldn't hear anything you were saying. One of my kids
Oh,
came
good.
in. Might have quite a few distractions from here on out. We'll see.
Oh, good. I was talking about if you've used the drawing stuff before, haven't you?
Which drawing stuff?
Campus.
Oh, yeah, but only in that chat does pixel art thing.
Yes. Is it TFF? Because I want to draw out the path that they're going to take, just so I can visualize it.
Okay.
Oh, it's done it that way. Okay.
This would be false. Has block placed. This would be
I don't know why they
false.
did -20.
Then we're gonna
Why
place
have they
a
done
block.
minus
So we
20?
probably got here. Print time to place a block. Oh, you know what? I think this is actually working properly. No
Good.
shit.
Is it actually? Are you the best programmer in the world or what?
Nope, it broke.
Well done. I'm kidding. Alright, path thing. Data size. Can't be mad, bro. Cannot use subscript operator of base of type in. What the frick does that mean? Oh, right, it's path thing. Did they add a... Do you have to add a canvas to be able to do the whole drawing thing? Is it like a... Oh,
I don't think so.
Or does it have to be in the draw function? My only question was, when does the draw function get called? Is it every frame?
Yes.
Okay. Draw string not a thing? I thought that's what you used before. I need to check out your other project. Chat does pixel art.
Okay, that's working, but we
Probably
need to
put it to work.
distinguish between if this is a right mouse click or not. Actually, no, we don't need to do that. We're not going to be listening to that anyways.
Why does your drawstring work? Mine says it's not recognized. Does it have to be control? Hold on. What's the thing I'm drawing into? Oh, extends a node. Does that matter? Oh, I'm assuming it does because control is basically canvas, right?
Is the controller canvas?
Well, it's a UI object, so I'm assuming that's why it has draw functions.
Okay, thank you, buddy. You know, this is the first like hackathon style thing I've ever done. I typically don't like them.
It's all right,
One sec.
actually. I don't know what this looks like, but we'll find out. Okay then. Draw not called. When does it get called? Oh, I used to force update. I see. That update function he did. Oh, we had this as a thing, didn't we? Jeez, come on. Oh, that's great. Thank you so much. Extend the control node. Ah, see, it needs to extend the control node. Mine doesn't. Makes sense. Oh, no, sorry, it does. Update to force window, but it extends control node. Why is it mad? Function is not found in self. Is there anything upbeat? Function update is not found in base. Thank you for the same code as before. I love ChatGPT. Oh man. Oh, my neck. All I know is key redraw is what I'm looking for.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
All right.
Huh? Yeah,
All
it's
right.
just it's getting harder to focus. Oh my god.
I love how ChatGPT gave me the same answer twice. Honestly, I got suspicious activity. Did it draw? I can't tell if it's actually doing anything. Data, size. I look 12. Wait, is it actually 12? Well, it is. Got past that. And then what's the actual problem? I think it did minus 20 or something on here. I think it was. Oh, I guess Z indexing is also a problem. Because you guys have. Is that a problem for a thing as well? Z indexing? If you draw a string over the top. Da, da, da. Um, just- oh, hold up. Nope. Okay. I thought that maybe had been the problem. I tell you though. They just didn't draw it. Text font. Get theme. Hmm.
Ladies
hell.
and gentlemen.
We can beat that game.
Oh, sweet.
We haven't actually. I think
Oh.
we do have panning and everything though. Freedom's working on rotation and stuff.
What am I working on?
Herbidestro. My brain's whack.
Brain whack.
It's Warwick.
Holy moly.
I'm trying to get it to draw some freaking pathing data, basically, is what I'm trying to do.
Path and data.
Pathing. Yeah, pathing data. Color
Oh,
of
man.
value is what? Jupiter.
Oh, people were chatting while I was asleep.
It says it drew that, but it didn't. Stop lying to me, bro. I just wanted to draw some freaking data on the screen, basically. Ugh.
Man, oh man. Guess how much sleep I got.
How much?
So I originally woke up 2 hours ago, and I sat down
Yeah.
to hop back on, and then I got really dizzy. I was like, oh, maybe I shouldn't.
Oh, that's not good.
I got time in bed, or like total time, 4 hours. Actual sleep, 34 minutes. I don't
Well
know.
then,
Yeah,
I can't.
we push on.
I'm trying to just draw some. I mean, it's not important. I just wanted to draw some pathing data for the AI to follow, so I could understand how this works.
Wait, do what?
Getting the actual AI to walk along the path.
You're trying to get them to walk on the path.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I mean, you can probably make them. The idea was just make them go from, like, they start at point A and then they just path to point B.
Yeah. You can do that. I just wanted to render it as so I could see it. But we have panning, by the way, and zooming in, and I fixed the problem with the screen being 5,000 pixels. Oh, it worked.
Oh.
Where'd it go? Wait, how do I do that?
What about
There it is.
levels?
Oh, it's glitchy, but look, you see this?
Hold up.
I think it's to do with Z indexing.
What am I looking at? Oh, nice.
We now have
Okay,
like panning
nice,
and zooming
nice,
and
nice.
things and timers and.
Yeah.
Is there any way I can get around? Do you know, by the way, BitDash,
Yes, sir.
if there's a way to get over the Z indexing for drawing the circles and stuff on top?
Get over the Z index.
Yeah.
So you can affect the Z index in the transform. Wait, no, not the transform. The ordering. The
Ordering. Sometimes it's just I don't understand what's going on here. Oh, now do you see my screen?
One sec.
Like I
Yes.
drew the path, right?
Yeah.
So if I zoom out enough, you can see it. Look.
Weird.
Or is it? I don't know.
Is
Well, I'm
Y-sort
actually-
enabled on your canvas that you're drawing?
Not that I know of. I mean, it's technically a control node. How do it? Why sorting enabled? What does that do?
I don't know, but it was required for the tile map to work properly.
Oh, really? And I assume I also need the Z index then for this as well. To be above whatever it is.
Yeah, Put the Z index really high, like 4 or something. I don't think we have anything drawn on Z index 4.
10. Oh, there.
Yeah, that works too.
I took what's. Why does it sometimes do it? It doesn't really matter. I just wanted to see if I could see it.
I mean, it might be a cool UI to have that kind of
Yeah.
blinking in whatever path and then watching the little people follow the path. That could be cool at
Yeah.
a certain point.
Indeed.
Bum, bum, bum,
Okay,
bum,
so
bum,
I
bum,
can
bum,
emit
bum.
when we've clicked an already placed item, which is
Cool.
cool.
What's
I'm trying to figure out
the
what actually causes the rendering.
what's the shortcut to move up and down a layer on the y-axis in the tile maps?
Page up, page down keys,
Okay.
which I don't know where those are on my keyboard.
Oof.
Because I want this to be drawn because I think it would be quite cool. But I guess the easiest thing is actually move the thing above the isometric tile map.
Does that matter?
I assume it's the same. I just wonder why that sometimes it doesn't.
I don't
I
know.
fucking know.
Uh,
It looks cool though. I just leave it the way it was. But... Oh, there's always show
Hmm.
behind parent. Isn't there always show on top as well? Top level. Does that matter?
I don't know.
Page up, page down
Maybe.
was not working.
Look. This is 1, 2, 3 in it. Okay. Sometimes it's working. I don't know really what's happening here.
Layer
Son of a
0.
bitch, just to work properly. Hey, look.
How did you place things on top of the map?
Oh, so you got to create a new layer. So in your instance of the isometric tile map in the inspector, you expand the layers title, and then there's add element. That will add a new layer, and then change the Z index. So increase the Z index to have another level, and then name it something.
I realize what's happening, by the way.
What?
I think it's because the modal mask button is classified as a click. And
Hiya.
obviously for
How was your
this,
nap?
I set the pathing to equal the ISO tile map path. This happens on click, this thing here. So I guess...
My nap was terrible. But it's okay. We got a little bit of rest. We're back at it. And we're going to keep going. No stop. Well, maybe stop, but we're going to keep going. That's what's
But
going
I'm
on.
nearly there. So I emit a signal for the
Uh.
resources, or rather for the menu to be shown, and then I need to consume.
I'm going to do this once only. Because considering pathing gets made once. So...
Okay, so let's see. Okay, a new block be placed. Da, 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 da.
Oh no, it broke. I don't know what's causing it. Just. It looks cool though. If I could get it to actually zoom in properly.
Yeah.
I think it's because it zooms in from wherever it. Obviously, I think the camera's like over here. Where it'd be better to be zooming into the central part, but details.
Details.
Yeah, look, it does draw them. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. That looks good. Could be centered in the tile a little bit, but
That's how it picked the pathing. It's just placing the point.
oh, interesting.
That's how it will actually work. Yeah, I think it's the middle mouse button is classified as a
Have
click.
a hydrate redeem? No, I don't.
Oh no, it doesn't.
I don't, because
Did
I
you when
drink
I-
so much.
Oh, that's weird. Is this?
Yeah.
What? What's that about?
Wait, what's going
I
on?
don't know. That's weird.
Pull up.
And he could
tweet.
see us now.
Huh?
Do you think he'll show up again?
I don't know.
Maybe.
It's actually been pretty fun so far.
How was your sleep, Freedom?
Awful.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Absolutely terrible. I got like 30, what did I say? 38 minutes of actual sleep.
Yeah.
What? Why? What happened?
My flatmate was like, "You look like absolute shit," and I was like, "Thanks."
Nice.
I mean, honestly, I got about as much sleep, maybe a little bit less sleep than I normally get, but not bad.
And sort of pour a drink for breakfast and find it full -1 sip. At dinner, the hydrate redeem was made to save people like me. Yeah, no, I drink at least a gallon a day of water.
Hey, Infinity Tanny. Yes, the Atlas thing worked. Everything is working. We have a beautiful,
Yes.
nearly one level completed game. But once the first level is done, everything else will be easier.
Will it?
I do like this little debug thing, to be honest. It's kind of nice to be able to see it. I wonder if I clicked somewhere else if it actually updated it.
How do I remove from a dictionary? How does that work
what
in
do you mean?
GD script?
It's usually delete. It's like a JSON thing. I don't know how you do it in DD script. Delete key. From dict. It's erase. Yeah.
Weird. Erase. Updated tiles dot erase. Tile map vector.
Oh,
Yep.
I got raided while you were asleep. By the way, Freedom.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I had
That's
I had
96
like 50
people watching me.
people watching when I joined.
Dang.
I
who
had
rated you?
96. Yeah. DevDad.
Oh, that's awesome.
You had
You know?
96?
Yeah.
I before I went to sleep, I saw DevDad was on and I was like, I have a feeling someone's gonna get raided. I had that feeling.
I'm in his stream usually. We chat sometimes.
That's awesome.
He's pretty chill.
I don't think I've ever heard what this game is about or the jam besides Kenny Assets. Oh my, here, let me explain it.
Well, at least you understand that. Someone who submitted didn't understand that at all.
That's true, that's true.
That's very true.
All right, so
Speaking of submissions, how many have we got?
we got the Kenny Jam with the theme connections. Now, what is a connection, you may ask? Good question. A connection
He's
can
got
be
a
from
salesman
point A
voice
to
going.
point B. It could be from me to you. A connection
Um,
is whatever your heart desires. But in our case, we are making something similar to like a pipe game. So you have a point A and a point B. And the idea is that you can rotate the pieces of land
Commit this. Terminal.
to form a path and then travel along that path and get all the way to point B. Kind of like a little puzzle game.
Oh, what fucking branch am I in?
hey guys,
What?
Yo.
it's like there's 1 day and 41 minutes, but also there's 0 submissions on the Kenny Jam.
Nice.
Nice.
That's 0, literally 0.
I mean,
You know how there were 4 before?
Yeah, all 4 were just bad, fake. Or they're all like ones that people didn't understand anything. No, wait, there's 3 entries.
This is a 0.
Oh
on
no,
mine.
I just didn't reload the page.
Okay.
I was like, what? Does it have a plot? Of course it has a plot.
Please do not use Kenny. Right.
What?
I was reading the thing that the bid dash said that
Oh,
was in the little description that we can use the Kenny Jam logo.
oh, you can. Oh, sweet. Here, I'll tell you the backstory. I'll mute myself too.
Git commit -m.
In the serene valleys of Eldoria, the small towns and hamlets are known for their strong community bonds and picturesque landscapes.
To map.
However, this tranquility is often disrupted by the harsh realities of nature. The region nestled between the high Eldor peaks and the vast Lorien plains is prone to sudden and severe natural disasters. Rock slides, earthquakes, and flash floods are common, creating barriers not just of land, but of connection. In the midst of this chaos lives a young, inventive hero named Kenny. Having grown up in the mountainous terrain of Eldoria, Kenny is all too familiar with the pain of separation. Years ago, a devastating earthquake followed by a massive rock slide isolated Kenny from his family, scattering them across various parts of the valley. Each year, as the rain swells the rivers, rain swell the rivers and the earth trembles, the landscape shifts, creating new challenges and barriers. Connections revolves around Kenny's quest to reunite with his family. Players guide Kenny through a series of dynamic levels, each presenting unique obstacles caused by natural disasters. The game combines elements of puzzle solving, strategic planning, and adventure as players navigate through blocked roads, collapsed bridges, and dangerous terrains. Using a combination of local knowledge, resource gathering, and community help, players must clear paths, rebuild infrastructure, and find safe routes across the troubled land. Along the way, Kenny meets other characters who are also trying to reach their loved ones. These characters offer Kenny help in the form of tools, skills, and companionship, but they also need help themselves. The game emphasizes themes of resilience, cooperation, and the enduring strength of familial and community ties. So the main objective is to successfully guide Kenny and sometimes his little buddies through various natural obstacles to reunite with their families. Each level increases in complexity and introduces new challenges that test the player's ability to adapt and strategize. The ultimate goal is not just to overcome the physical barriers, but also to restore the emotional bonds that tie the people of Eldoria together. This was totally taken from ChatGPT.
And I guess I can just edit the bottom result.
What the hell have you done? Is this
This is
GitHub
my-
desktop? What is this?
What?
This is VS Code.
That is not how my VS Code looks.
Really?
Oh, you've got a different theme, I see. Okay. What the hell? Oh, you use that Git thing. I don't do that.
No.
So in the File Explorer, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Click on the File Explorer. I'm waiting for it to update.
Oh, the File Explorer. Yeah.
Hold up. Can I wait for it to
Are there
update?
animal companions? No, there are not. So the question is, can you get to the point? Can you get to the point where multiple characters can run nav across your grid within 12 hours?
I hope so.
That's the hope. Can it happen right now?
You said 12 hours. Bro, we got more than 12 hours.
Yeah, we got a day.
We have a day left.
Yeah.
Day and 36 minutes. Right. Is it updated?
Dang, so I'm gonna
Is
be
your
able to sleep
stream,
again.
like, frozen? What's happening here? Okay, it's just I think my computer's trouble. Yeah. So I just tend to in the terminal. You see the bottom where it says output debug console terminal.
No
Yeah.
animal friends, unfortunately
In
not.
terminal, I tend to write
We got aliens.
git space status, and then
We
you can
do
check the
have
conflicts in there.
aliens.
But usually, you can just go to the file itself, and it should give you an option.
Yeah, that's what I did. I clicked resolve merge. I mean,
I don't
guess
think
it
I've
would
ever
just-
done it that way.
Oh, you just edit it manually? Like, why am I not seeing both? It's not showing me the merge conflict unless I hit.
I wish I could show you because I
resolve.
don't have one.
Yeah, it's fine.
Actually,
I'll sort it out.
do I have anything I can pull in? I don't think I do. All right, let me
I
close
think
your
my
screen.
food is here. I'll resolve this in a second. I'll be right back.
Ooh,
Yeah, don't get hangry.
what kind of?
I'm already
food?
hangry. Oh wait, has my video not been on this whole time? Nice.
No.
Classic.
Hey, you're saving on system resources. You know that MacBook's getting hot. It's spicy right now.
You have aliens but no cats. Well,
Oh, I had a question about the aliens. Why do we have aliens?
because we needed more character models,
Oh, okay.
and those are the only available 2D character models.
What if it's to do with camera field of view? But it's fine over here. What the fuck is in the bottom corner that it doesn't allow me to render it?
Oh my!
This didn't work. Is it because of the camera FOV?
I tried making a lake and it looks really, really bad. Oh no! Oh no!
What the? That's just new. This sounds almost right, but we'll see. That's how ChatGPT sounds always. You know, it's not that I don't trust ChatGPT, I
CZBR,
just don't trust.
thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Game Jam.
The one and only.
We are currently living off of very, very little sleep. Very little sleep.
True gamer. That's what you guys are. True gamers.
Something like that.
Ah! Leg spasm.
Why?
Ah.
Bow, bow, bow. Ba-da-ba-da-bow. I will have to eat pretty soon.
Out of my mind. What the fucking hell? Okay. That's not right.
How are we gonna celebrate successfully completing the Game Jam?
I have no idea. Sleeping.
Sleeping.
That's how.
It's not a bad idea.
Alright, I can't be bothered to fix this thing. I just need the pathing to work. So the debug thing's fine. For now.
Sure.
Now I need to
So
figure out
the
how to
good
actually
old
get it to walk across
sleep.
this little path.
Yeah, good old cup of sleep, you're right. That might be the play.
I might get a cup of tea. I'm kidding.
Oh, a cup of
I don't drink
sleep.
tea.
This looks so bad. Okay, let's see if I fixed drawing on the layers. So I add the
What
Z
does it look
index,
like?
go
What
up
is
a
this?
layer.
Concord.
Aha, it works.
Oh man,
Mhm.
you say I am tired is an understatement.
Yup. Indeed.
No, I don't. Oh, nav negation 2D. Gadoo. Gadoosh. Gadoosh.
Yes.
So what do I do then? So now that I have the pathing data, do I just have a sprite that follows the path or something?
Yeah,
Is that how
it,
that
it
works?
just follows the path. In
So
theory.
for instance, I can just import one of your little AI dudes.
Yeah.
Well, I say AI dudes, the asset
Definitely
that's
not
animated.
AI, but
Just get
yeah.
it, just to get it run and follow a path. Is that
Yeah.
the idea?
That should
Okay.
work. Hopefully.
We'll get the male or the female. Female.
Where is the... Do we not have any, like, townhouses?
Female A.
Unless these are houses.
Female.
They don't have doors.
Bum, 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 bum.
This is a house
Gone
for sure.
away.
I think these are roofs, not mountains.
Gnomes.
Gnomes? Someone mentioned the gnomes. Layer 2. Oh, we gotta turn on the beats.
The Beats. Beats by Dre.
No.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. I once had a pair of Beats and then I accidentally left them on an airplane.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. You already know they were instantly scooped up.
They were like Beats by Dre. Oh, does the character not automatically play the idle animation?
There is no
Okay.
idle animation.
They just go walking.
Yeah. I tried to make an idol, but the only way to make an idol for them is to, like,
There you are. It's walking on the screen. At
Color
least
it.
it's animated to walk. Now I need to figure out how to get it to actually follow the path once it's clicked. What was it? I think LT said that we should continue this game afterwards. Sell it on Steam. Okay.
yeah, he was saying that. I don't know why.
Clearly, we got a winner of a game.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. It's a game though, I will say. It's a game. I wish you all much fortitude and coherency in the hours to come. Thank you.
Coherency, that's not gonna happen.
Anahan Shard Han Han Anahan Han Anahan
And a hand.
Anahan Shard. Thank you. Ani. Oh, Ani is fine. Ani.
Oh my god.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Bro, my stream is not happy.
Why?
Every time I freaking disable my performance mode, everything stretches out. That's, that's how my graphics card's boiling alive.
I'm back.
Welcome
Hi,
back.
back.
See ya, Ani.
Annie.
I almost said Annie. Then I fixed it and said Ani.
I need to find this tutorial I was looking at earlier because it was actually more useful than half the stuff I've come across.
I'm just making
I just need the...
I swear. Just let me.
What happened?
I'm still looking at this fucking VS Code fucking merge goddamn thing. How the fuck does this work? Merge editor.
You not usually have merge conflicts? How do you resolve them
I'm usually in Android
Studio?
Studio, so I don't deal with VS Code.
Oh. Interesting. They're not the same then.
No, completely different.
Open it in Android Studio. Okay.
Jax,
You
hello.
You'd probably like WebStorm then, I assume. Like if you were to do web stuff. It's made by
Yeah,
IntelliJ.
it's same company, right?
Yeah. Made by IntelliJ. Right, what the hell was I doing?
Are you tired?
Pathfinding.
Very tired.
We have a game-ish.
Something. We have something.
We got something, brother. Alright.
No.
Okay. I think that did it.
Can you
Yeah,
please
and
just show
I
where
don't know,
the
personally,
AI
the
goes? Yeah.
Android Studio version is much better.
There it is.
I just,
Looks like you are. Because I am Jax. Very, very tired. But you know what they say? When you're tired, you're tired.
Yes, that's what people say.
is this guy actually going to show in the tutorial to move how to move the character? Oh, here, get simple path. This must be it.
What's
Get
your
position
internet
vector
speed?
2.
My internet speed's not that great. It's only
They asked the same question
like,
on my streams today.
oh, did he?
Yeah.
Jax, you just recycling questions over here? What's going on?
What you? The only one.
5 different.
Oh,
Did he
you're,
die?
yeah, you're cutting out there.
Oh. The
Done.
Game Jam said no.
I'm cutting out.
Oh, now you're not.
You are. I think your laptop's overheating. I'm just gonna get one character to move.
Good luck.
Keep crying. What was
Hmm?
that?
I'm laughing at Freedom over there. Good
What?
luck.
Why are you laughing
The
at?
scene file tutorial level TCSN appears to be invalid / corrupt. What the fuck?
Yeah, you have to fix the code problems, the merge conflicts.
I already did. I already resolved them. At least I thought
Clearly
I
you
did.
didn't, because there's a dependency missing.
Got him.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's what you get for laughing at me.
I hate this.
I'm building some beautiful houses.
Oh, is it just transform dot position? Why can I not just do this? Yep. Simple path is not found on self base. What? Wait, what? Where's this used? Yeah, simple path isn't working. Character body 2D. Navigation no.get simple path.
I don't know what to do about this. What the fuck?
What the frick is the navigation node? Is that the server? What's the navigation node? Do we have one of those?
Yeah, that's what the wait,
What
nav,
item has it?
wait, no.
nav map.
We have a server and a map. Yeah.
Maybe it's the nav map.
I tried to
one.
stream today on Twitch. My stream was black, 10 megabytes per second. You should be able to stream with 8 megabytes per second, I believe.
Nav map inside of what? The tile map, GD.
I mean, it'll obviously not be very good, but or megabits, yeah.
I'm on that T-Mobile home internet. That's how I do it.
At first, I
T-Mobile.
had cable,
Like the
but those cords weren't me.
like what? Index
So he
position.
switched to
position.
T-Mobile home internet with 5G.
What's going on?
What a feeling! I have Wi-Fi now. I've heard this commercial way too many times.
Obviously.
What?
The one with all those people.
All I wanna do. Okay, I'm just gonna do this manual way.
I've given up. Get simple path node tile map. Is it not nav map like this?
Tutorial level. Hey,
Hey,
copy.
the tutorial level is the only level we're gonna have at this point.
What? What are you talking about?
No,
I
it's
got level
not.
1 cooking up right now.
You cooking, Jesse?
It's almost there. I'm just making the final finish point. How big?
Please?
Wait, how big should level 1 be?
4x4?
There we go.
Huh?
It doesn't have to be massive.
But it needs to be big.
It doesn't have to be big.
Okay, big. 5G mobile internet is now free for everyone in India. Really?
What? What?
Doesn't make any sense.
Is it just? But
I don't like that.
I have a feeling it's really crappy quality. There's no way that they would have like super high quality. Is it?
Well, it depends if they've got
That's-
trees in the way. You know why most of the trees get taken down? It's because it interferes with 5G connections.
Interesting.
That's why it's used for short range communication instead of
Yeah.
long range communication.
High speed. Speed is high, bro. I mean, you're talking about 10 megabits per second. That's why I was like, maybe not. That's crazy.
Non-existent function.
Is-
get
there is
simple
a-
path, but
There is a major cable that goes through India, right? Like-
dude, my brain is clocking out. I'm just chat GPTing everything at this point. Help, please. get simple path not working. Please fix.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
All along the edges of India has the massive, massive cables. Yeah, it's huge.
Tutorial level controller. I deleted
Super
something,
good.
but I don't know what I deleted.
That's not good.
Okay, us working in the same scene is not a good call. We should not do that again.
Yeah, I would not recommend
Just
that.
because you can't
ever.
fix the resolutions. Thank you very much.
Even I knew not to work in the same
Because of-
scene. Come on,
Because
guys.
of all your garbage changes,
Ooh,
it
Not
broke
garbage.
everything.
garbage.
It's not garbage.
You gonna take that?
Garbage, I say.
Is this what they forewarned us about? Like,
Is this the breakdown? Is this the rift?
Garbage changes.
Oh goodness. Okay, so
guys, we have a huge problem.
No,
ChatGPT
we
can
don't.
help me.
Oh no,
Okay,
we're doomed.
we're doomed. I honestly don't know what to do here. Come on, brain. Come on. You got this.
You got this, buddy.
Stupid ass
Work.
brain. Right. I had a time.
I think we've got 24 hours now, by the way.
Fuck, that went away.
Said
didn't
we
it?
have to do another. What's your speedboat?
Dude, we're not stopping, by the way. One game jam after another okay.
Yeah. That's right.
It's only I only have like 20 megabits per second for the upload, and then download's only like 500. It's kind of slow here.
Just
I'm gonna have to make this.
just
quick.
like
great.
Freedom Forge's subathon. Every time he gets a sub, we do another
another game jam.
No.
You say we have to pull another 24-hour stream, or attempt another 24-hour stream, I should say.
I'm not suggesting anything, but maybe. It's kindly implied.
Well, it's kindly denied.
Ah,
I'm having
Damn.
fun.
I'm having fun.
But I don't think my wife would really like this, me doing this on the regular.
It'd be like you're doing a what now?
Again?
Another one of them game jams.
What is my wife, an old woman? What?
I don't know. What are them there game jams?
Oh, what now? A game jam?
Another one. Another one.
What
Shucks.
now? Whipped cream.
I have
Stewie
to redo
Gilligan
this
Griff.
whole collision shape. This whole
You broke it.
blanking collision shape.
Yeah,
What
did you actually break it?
do?
Yeah, legit. I lost the collision shape I made. Luckily, I didn't lose like the logic, so I just had to remake the. shape
hell.
itself.
That's good.
Maybe
don't
you need
know.
to.
It told
You
me,
do know
like,
in VS
it was-
Code you can actually just revert from changes.
Yeah, whatever.
You,
I'm
you know
already
the
down this path.
timeline down here. Look, I can see changes I made 7 hours ago.
Yes, I know, but I'm
And 2
not
minutes
do-
ago.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
But you could fix so many problems.
These are problems I can't fix.
Oh god.
Unfixable.
Look, we're almost done. We're almost
A
done.
pool of vector 2 array. Right. I don't know what that is. A pool vector. Right. I don't know. I didn't even know this was a type.
Speeds.
What the heck is a pool vector 2? Array of pool vector 2s. Little funky. Alright. I guess it is a.
What'd you call
I don't
me?
know what I said funky.
Oh.
What did you think I said?
I thought you called me a donkey.
Funky. What is it? Is it? An ogre has layers.
Did you get to 24 hours? Bit? I don't think you did. Or freedom? I don't think you did.
You just called me yourself?
Yeah, I'm tired too.
No, I did not. I made it till
Alright.
like 6 in the morning,
Nice.
5:30.
We're too
something
old
like
for that
Proud
shit.
of you.
And then I'm too old. Yeah, because I was just getting completely delirious. I was like, I couldn't even put
I had a
a
massive
block.
headache before I went to bed.
Oh, I have a massive headache already. I just couldn't even put down a block on the grid map or tile map. It was
The
awful.
function seems it does not match the pair.
That's how bad it was. So I think I made it.
It's the from 2.
What did I make it to? 19. Or no, sorry, 20 minus 4, 16 hours. Ish.
Okay.
I have bad news for us, guys. We've got 11 minutes until 1 day left.
Oh no.
Shit.
We're donezo.
I don't think we're
But-
gonna finish.
To be fair, I think I'm doing alright. I am trying to
Something
get this
will be
person
delivered.
to walk across. No one said it had to be a game, right?
That's right.
Right, let's do some promo.
Promo. All right, everyone, come to my channel. Follow me. I'm trying to get to 100 followers. Thank you.
Oh, Kenny's also currently, everything is 50% off their store,
No shit.
including the Assets Forge, which allows you to create 3D models yourself.
Don't tell me that I lost this stuff too. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
Oh yeah, look, it's all 50% off.
Connection.
Block placed. No, it's there. Why are you complaining?
Pixel Logic.
Oh shit! I think I fucked this up.
You telling me I could have waited until the Pixel to the jam, and then I could have owned Kenny's shape for $1.99.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, you can buy
God.
everything for $40.
Not too shabby.
That's a pretty good deal.
Apparently, you can get 40,000 game assets for $10 if you want all the game assets you have, which is 3D models, 2D pixel art, vector art, icons, audio, prototype, basically the stuff we're using.
I swear to God, I had this working, and then I merged, and now it's all broken again. Son of a bitch.
Don't look
It's
at me.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Everything
place.
is
Happy place.
awesome.
Happy place. Think of your happy place.
Happy place. Happy.
I'm just
place.
remembering that from Happy Gilmore.
You happy place.
When he says, "Why
Now
do you
that
go
you're
back
old,
to your
you have
home?"
to go to bed at 7:30 and wake up at 5 to go to the early bird special down at the local family restaurant. Deep Space. I already do that. I go to bed at like, well, actually no, I go to bed at around like anywhere between like 10 and 12, and then I wake up between 4 and 6.
Yep, that's me as well.
Is it cold in Texas? No, it's very, very hot. So hot that the AC, we blast the AC, and then it gets cold in the house. A little bit of a struggle.
I don't know what to do. I shall serenade you with the guitar. I'm kidding, I'm not going to do that. I do need to figure this thing out though. Get simple path. How do you work? Navigation dot get simple. Navigation being what? The navigation 2D. Get simple path. Global position. It's hidden away, but this explains it pretty well.
Oh, winter's back. Yeah, I mean, I don't really miss the snow, to be honest. I do like skiing a lot, though. I like skiing.
That didn't help much. I just want to know how to use the bloody thing.
The bloody thing.
The bloody thing. Oh, apparently, by the way, just for everyone to know, deprecated navigation node 2D and get simple path at deprecated will be removed in future versions. So you should
Yes.
use navigation 2D server dot get map get path instead.
Never seen snow in your life?
This is not working.
It looks like... I mean, snow looks actually really cool when you look at it really close.
Just don't eat the yellow snow.
It's lemon
No,
flavored.
dude, that's the best snow. Lemon flavor.
Map get.
All right, now we just gotta paint some trees.
Why is this broken now?
Map get path. So what do you do in your find path function? You do map get path, don't you? Yeah, you do. So you just return the z vector. So I just need it to follow the path.
We
It
have
says the
snow
simple
house.
pathing is deprecated.
Ah, that's an interesting thing.
G'day. How to get sprite to follow navigation 2D
Oh,
server
whoops.
several path. Basic tutorial. Let's see how basic this tutorial was.
Do we have
Markers.
an input event or some shit that is consuming us? What the fuck? Wait, why aren't these attached anywhere? Oh, right. Okay. Excuse me.
You can paint
the hell's
navigation
a
on
navigation
a tile
agent?
the same as you would collisions, then apply a navigation agent to the node you want to navigate and pass it in a target to it. Yeah, that's pretty much what we were doing with them. It's just getting the. Well, actually, Wolfric, didn't you get it so they can follow it now?
I'm getting it so I can follow it. I'm trying to understand what the hell to do.
Like,
You
how
need
do
a
you pass
navigation
it?
agent. Well, you already calculated everything, so I need
Right.
to follow
You
the
just need to
path.
get the calculations and have it follow it.
Yeah.
That part, tough one.
Well, I think you just have the navigation node, and you just. There seems to be a thing called set movement target, which is I don't know what that comes from. So these quote unquote AIs, they're navigation agents, right? Instead, is that right? Because they're classified as players, but I guess they aren't players. Okay, I just get blanked. Okay then.
Helpful, hey?
I'm just trying to understand how this works.
Sorry,
and
what was it?
nobody can help.
Watch a
No,
video.
look
I
at-
think that's what made it the most sense to me.
I'm not gonna repeat myself.
I was eating. You were talking to me.
That's all good.
Jax,
So it needs-
there's a whole
This is so
document in the folder that kind of explains everything. The folder
hate
I
this
sent
so
you.
much. So much.
I'm so sorry. Go ahead.
So I switched it from a player to a navigation agent, and it crashed Godot.
Wait. What? What did you? What?
So you've got your thing set as a character body 2D.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it needs it, right? But
No, you don't want to turn it
each
into
one
a
of these things-
navigation agent. The navigation agent's an additive to the character body, I thought.
Yeah, so I need to add each one of these things. I need to add a navigation agent 2D to.
Yeah,
Alright.
but you don't have to add it to every single one of them. Just add it to the character
Just some of
template.
these. Oh, character. Okay.
Yeah, they're all instantiated or
Okay.
inherited scenes from the character template to make life super
That's
easy.
pretty cool. Navigation agent 2D.
That's all Tanny there.
Cool. My brain is exploding in several different dimensions. Alright. Right, this is gonna.
Mm,
I have such a headache.
mm,
Alright.
mm, mm.
Vittorio Island.
Okay.
Okay. What happened?
We're just gonna do it this way. This is what we're gonna do.
Is everything broken? I take that as a yes.
It's still broken.
Uh,
Fucking hate this.
I have a question then. If everything is extended from this character template, by the way,
Mhm.
why do we have animated sprite 2Ds and collision shape 2Ds in all of them?
Because they need collision shapes and character sprites.
Yeah, but they have one in the base as well.
What do you mean?
So in the character template, they've got the animated sprite 2D and collision shape 2D. But in the
Mhm.
actual female A, it also has those. Whereas if you were extending from the thing, surely you'd just have like a property where you'd set the
I just
thing.
made it so
Said.
the template basically just copies over the nodes, and I just
Okay.
Control Shift N using that scene, and I just keep doing that. So it has all the nodes that I need. Because they don't have any script to them or anything.
Yeah. You say I have a headache is an understatement. Right.
When was the last time you ate?
3 hours ago?
I think it just went out.
Mm.
Yeah.
Because I was having a headache, and then I just started eating, and now it's going away.
Noise.
Mm-hmm.
What the mother you
Boy, he's about to say some curse words.
breathe?